Hello everyone, welcome to the Mystery Mansion. Welcome to the Ultimate Animal Name Challenge. Can you unscramble the jumbled names of popular animals? So, let's get started. Can you guess this one? You're right, it's a panda. Guess this one. Yes. It's a rhino. Can you guess this one? Good one, it's a giraffe. Guess this one. It's a leopard. Can you guess this one? You're right, it's a crocodile. Guess this one. Good one, it's a penguin. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's a dolphin. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Guess this one. Good going. It's a wolf. Can you guess this one? It's a zebra. Guess this one. Great! You guessed it right. It's a polar bear. Can you guess this one? It's a chimpanzee. Guess this one. Good one. It's a kangaroo. Can you guess this one? It's a koala. Can you guess this one? It's a lion. Can you guess this one? It's a tiger. A short trivia on tiger. Enjoyed this animal name challenge? If you want more exciting quizzes and captivating content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community.